Hey, welcome to Mr.RagsToRiches YouTube channel, man. This is one of my first videos, man. So if you clicked on this, welcome to the channel. I'm finna teach you everything about financial literacy, and today we're going over trade lines, man, because people still be having trade lines confused. So we finna run through this trade lines and let you know what's going on, man. Look, a trade line is any account that reports to your credit profile. No matter it's a credit card, a loan, etc., are all considered trade lines. Each account you carry, though, has the ability to raise or lower your score. Authorized user trade lines means like you just getting added to someone else's credit card, and that account will show up on your credit report, but it still show up as an authorized user. So the bank still will be able to see that that's an authorized user. You feel me? A trade line is really the core of your whole profile. It affects 4 out of 5 scoring modules. So basically everything on your credit profile is a trade line. You feel me? AUs, they report within 60 days, you feel me? And they remain on your report for 7 to 10 years. They'll fall off too after 30 to 60 days. They report between like 15 to 30 days though. Now, primary trade lines. These are the most important trade lines on your report. It's primaries because these accounts that you open in your name that you are 100% responsible for. You feel me? Let me give you some examples. Credit cards that's in your name. Auto loans, personal loans, student loans, credit card builder accounts, store cards, secured cards. All these cards are in your name, primaries. This is what the banks and the lenders look for. They love primaries, you feel me? Primary trade lines are the most powerful because they show lenders that you can handle credit on your own. They carry more weight in your score than AUs. Y'all hear that right? They carry more weight in your score than AUs because they reflect your actual buying power. Hey, look, man, the more on-time payments and the age your primaries have, the stronger your profile looks. So just be on time. If you ain't got no late payments, you always on time, your profile gonna look strong, strong. Now, revolving trade lines. This where it get tricky at, where people like be getting confused, because I used to get confused about this. Revolving trade lines are credit accounts that you can use to pay down every month. Credit cards, store cards, secured cards, your gas cards, business credit cards. You feel me? Like you control the balance on revolving trade lines. You feel me? Those are trade lines. Direct impact to your credit card utilization. So your revolving trade lines affect your utilization. You feel me? You want to make sure that you keep that utilization under 30% to go out there and get the bag, man. You got to make room for good utilization. If you pay it in full every month, hey, that's when you get that win. But make sure you don't get no late payments. We're not doing no late payments, man. Look, let's go. Installment trade lines. Now, installment trade lines is a little bit different than revolving trade lines. Installment trade lines are fixed loans where you borrow a set amount and pay it off over time in fixed payments. Let me give you a few examples. Auto loans, student loans, personal loans, credit card builder, self-credit strong. Those are revolving accounts. Those are revolving. These accounts show that you can handle long-term payments over time. You feel me? This helps with your credit mix. Add depth to your credit report. You use credit builder loans to get a positive trade line, even if you're starting fresh or rebuilding. Hey, look, man, I need y'all to know this, man. But after today, you're going to know. Now, an authorized user trade line. An authorized user trade line is when someone adds you to their existing credit card and you benefit from the age limit and the payment history, even though the account isn't in your name. Example, like your mama, she gonna put you on her credit card. She had an Amex for 10 years, you feel me? Your grandma and your auntie, somebody close to you. Or you could go on a site, you buy an AU slot from someone with a perfect payment history. You wanna make sure you pay attention to the payment history, the utilization, and the limit. You feel me? Then someone else, like your business partner, could put you on their card. It always gonna boost your score if your credit report is seasoned already. You feel me? This is the fastest way to add age to your credit report. You get the positive payment history instantly. Great for building or rebuilding your profile. And it can increase your score from 30 to 100 points. So let me give y'all some tips. Free game on this. Do not go get no authorized user trade line when you first rebuilding your credit report or credit profile, because it's not going to do nothing. You just going to waste your money Wait till your credit report seasoned out, get you 7 or 10 accounts on there, and then when you going out here getting the bag or you trying to get a credit card, then you throw up 1 or 2 AUs on there to sauce it up. You feel me? You don't throw it on there in the beginning. You throw it on there in the end. You feel me? People be getting that confused. But what to look for? That low utilization, no late payments, and the long age. If that utilization is high or they miss a payment, guess what? It's going to hit you. It's going to hurt you. You feel me? So make sure whoever card you getting on, whoever you buy, you pay attention to those, man. And another tip, make sure that card report to all 3 bureaus, because some don't report. So make sure they report to all 3 bureaus. Y'all just watch my video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mr.RagsToRiches.